Hi, I'm Ashley with Sentinel Mouthguards. First, I want to thank you for your purchase. Your support of our small business means the world to us. The title of this video is a little misleading. I don't want you to actually take your dental impression quite yet. If you will, watch the video first in its entirety, then let's go back and take our impression together. Okay, let's get started.
Your kit is going to contain 2 different sized trays, a putty pack and an extra putty pack. You're going to want to try in both trays and choose the one that fits best. You want plenty of room here. You don't want the tray hitting the sides of your teeth or your front teeth. Now that you know your correct tray size, we're going to mix the putty. The blue can be a bit stickier than the white, so you can use some of it kind of like gum to tack on to the excess putty and remove it from the cup. Now that you have your blue and white putty ready to go, you can start mixing. Here, you'll want to work quickly because as soon as these 2 putties make contact with each other, the hardening process starts. And within 2 minutes, this putty will be hard like a firm rubber. Blend together so that all the white streaks disappear. This should take about 30 to 45 seconds. Now, roll it into a hot dog shape and place it in the tray. Make sure your material is distributed evenly. Stand in front of a mirror and place the tray in your mouth. Submerge all the whites of your teeth evenly and completely, and pop your lips over the top of the tray. Hold still for 3 minutes.
Okay, and this is how you take a great dental impression. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you rinse it with water, put it in the Ziploc bag that's provided, and mail it back in to us, and we'll get right to work making your custom product.
A couple of extra little pro tips here. You're going to get 2 different size trays and you want to try in each tray to see which one fits best. And you want to go with the bigger size tray because you don't want the edges of the tray hitting your teeth. So I have a number 4 and a number 6 here. Trying in the number 4, and your cheeks are stretchy, so you can actually grab a hold like a fish hook and stretch your cheek. Make sure that you pop your lips over the top of the tray too. But whenever you choose the right tray size, you have it, just stand in front of a mirror and just practice placement. Practice putting that tray in and taking it out, and do this several times. That way you get a really good idea of placement. You know where to go, so whenever your tray is filled up with the putty, you feel confident and sure of where to go. And make sure you don't bite down. You're just going to submerge all the whites of your teeth and hold really still for the full 3 minutes. Okay, one last pro tip. Whether you're taking your impression for the upper teeth or the lower teeth, it's the exact same process. So lower teeth, you're going to do the same thing. Choose which tray fits best, and you'll just go in, pop your bottom lip over the tray and submerge all the whites of your teeth and hold really still. Don't bite down. And that's it.